Wow, here.
Here.
Here?
This is my place.
Mm.
The office.
Yeah, this is the office.
I only use this one.
Mm.
Jose, how about this one? We can make studio. It's okay. Then we need to install the light. 이쪽에 있어요. They just have lecture room another one.
Naalala ko tuloy dati nung nag-aaral pa ako ng Korean. Yun na, 2018. Nag-aaral ako ng Korean language. Oh. Tari, sujum, 식당, 농장, 운동장.
그러면
This is the classroom.
yeah, this one is classroom and then another.
The other one. Okay. Two
Yeah,
ano?
we have two classrooms.
Oh. 사무실.
이쪽으로 한번 가볼까요?
Kabila. Tara, punta tayo sa kabila. Dalawa pala classroom dito eh.
저기 있어.
Wow.
여기는 좀 This is Vigo Dental.
Wow, may monitor pa oh.
We want to buy 65 inches and then we want to make like smart board.
Yeah,
smart board 만들 거예요. 그래서 we don't want to use board anymore. Instead we just use board for lecture. So that's why he came here to explain how we can do that.
K-Dream.
Yeah,
HKS.
Yes.
So nandito tayo ngayon sa K-Dream. Kasama natin si ma'am na kanina pa tawa ng tawa. Isa sa kasabuat natin. So siya ay teacher dito. Teacher po kayo dito ma'am?
Yes po.
Ayan. So ano ang meron dito sa K-Dream na wala sa ibang school?
Okay, so as you can see po, K-Dream HKS offers a Korean language training na nagkikater po ng training papunta ng South Korea. So mga factory worker po papunta ng South Korea. So their requirement is mag-aral po ng Korean language. So as the pre-qualification of South Korean employment to pass the examination, yun po yung service na ino-offer ni K-Dream. Since po ang pagtatrabaho sa South Korea ay government to government process. So wala pong ibang nagpo-proseso po nun kundi si DMW. Ngayon po, si K-Dream po, yun po yung ino-offer niya, yung Korean language training. At hindi lang po Korean language training, kundi pati na yung culture ng South Korea, ina-adapt din natin since ang may-ari po nito ay Koreano din. And then, ang meron po sa K-Dream na wala po sa other learning center is we have the highest passing percentage in the entire Philippines.
Wow.
So actually po, kakatapos lang ng ating SCBT examination. So October 4, 5, and 6. And out of 29 takers po, nagkaroon tayo ng 25 passers. So yun po yung pinaka-latest po natin na tracking record ng passing percentage. So yun po yung pinagmamalaki ni K-Dream. And aside from that, K-Dream has the own brand and system na sinusunod compared to other learning center na nagkikater din ng EPS topic program. At isa na po dyan, ito yung ginagamit natin, authored by the owner of K-Dream, Prof. Yun Kyushin. Especially made po siya for EPS topic, doon sa mga magtitake ng EPS topic examination. So ito po yung book na sinusunod po namin, ito yung system na sinusunod namin na wala pong ibang gumagamit sa entire Philippines, kundi si K-Dream lang po meron. Since po kasi, ang required po ng HRDK or ng Korea is book 1 and book 2. So si K-Dream po, since naman na yung iba sa ating mga aspirant ay hindi naman po talaga masipag mag-aral, so naka-target na po siya, naka-design na po siya para sa mga question number 1 until 40 na nilalabas po ng test question sa DMW. So yun po ang kagandahan ng system ni K-Dream na wala po sa other learning center. So aside from that po, proven and tested na po si K-Dream. So since po na nag-start po siya, marami na pong na-produce na passer and at the same time, successful flights po si K-Dream. So yun po yung in-offer namin dito, sir.
Okay, so magkano nga pala ang expected na sasahurin sa Korea? Kung sakaling gusto nyo mag-aral ng Korean
Okay.
language at gusto nyo magtrabaho sa Korea, magkano nga po, ma'am?
Okay po. Para sa mga hindi po nakakaalam, as EPS worker or manufacturing worker sa South Korea, ang minimum wage po na sinasahod po nila doon is 85,000 pesos up to 150,000 pesos monthly po yan. So, take note po ha, wala pong masyadong qualification. Hindi po importante kung nakapagtapos ka ng pag-aaral or hindi. May ano ka man o wala, may pinag-aralan ka man o wala, as long as na willing ka pong mag-undergo ng process at kaya mong trabahuin ang tinatrabaho, na inaatang na trabaho ng South Korea, pwede ka po doon. So, alam niyo naman yung inflation rate po ngayon. So, kung nahihirapan kayong kumuha ng job dito sa Pilipinas dahil sa competency, graduate ka, baka na andun sa South Korea ang inyong luck.
Kailangan lang ipasa ang
Yes,
exam.
you need to pass the examination na kinakandak po ng HRDK at ng DMW. So malay nyo, this is the opportunity na magbabago ang buhay po ninyo. At marami na po tayong proof po dyan. You can search sa mga YouTube and mga vlogger po natin na EPS worker. So isa po yun sa mga patunay natin.
So marami na po kayong napaalis, no?
Yes po, actually marami na po talaga kaming napaalis. So hindi na po mabilang sa ating kamay. If you want to check, legitimacy check, just visit our page, K-Dream HKS Korean Language Tutorial Services, and then also ang aming other website. So naandun po lahat nakalagay ng ating mga proof na nakakatulong tayo sa ating mga EPS aspirant na makalipad papunta ng South Korea. So actually, this coming October 16, meron tayong 3 maswerteng aspirant na makakasama po papalipad sa South Korea. So inahatid po natin yan sa airport and also sa DMW kapag mag-pre-flight briefing po sila.
Pero take note ha, ang K-Dream ay hindi siya agency.
Yes. So wala pong agency ang papunta ng South Korea. That's a government-to-government process. Ang mag-aasikaso lang po ng inyong mga application si DMW at the same time si South Korea. HRDK po, yun lang dalawang ahensya po ang nagpa-process ng application. So if ever may nag-offer po sa inyo ng trabaho papunta ng South Korea, hindi po dadaan kay DMW at hindi po mag-aaral ng Korean language. Scam po yan.
Yeah.
Ano po? So, kailangan yung mag-search bago po kayo mag-apply kasi that's a government-to-government process.
So, etong K-Dream, saan natin matatagpuan ngayon?
So, si K-Dream po ay matatagpuan natin sa 4F Trinicia Building, Cubao, Quezon City. Kung alam nyo po yung Farmers Mall or MRT Cubao, pagkakababa nyo lang po, makikita nyo po yung pagkalaki-laking logo ng Korean flag and also the Korean language K-Dream. Andun po kami matatagpuan. And of course, sa aming official Facebook page. So you can search po K-Dream. Madali lang naman po siyang i-search.
Okay. Sir, how you motivate to the Filipino peoples that want to work in South Korea?
Actually, I just wrote this book for Filipinos. I know book 1, book 2.
Yeah.
Book 1, book 2 is very nice, but that's not really oriented for test. That's why I just made this one. This is really oriented for the test. So they just need to use only one book and then they can study everything from number 1 till number 40 in EPS topic. Anyway, we have 3 parts from basic, intermediate, and advanced. So until now, they just need to study basic and intermediate, so that we also teach basic and intermediate in K-Dream HKS. But from now on, we need to teach advanced too, because nowadays fill in the blank and others are very important. So that we want to also focus on that one too. Actually, this is fill in the blanks. Yeah, fill in the blanks. So nowadays, I heard from students, test takers, this is test questions, and also this is like solution. So everything they can understand. Actually, they understand the sentence structure, and then what is the relationship between the sentences to understand the meaning. So and then also I just give some grammatical checkpoints also here. Translation and also solution, right? How they can answer those. Actually, this is 300 questions. And then this can cover 6 parts. So, noun vocabulary, verb vocabulary, adverb, adjective, and then connective ending, and final ending.
Yeah.
So all the categories can go by this. And then this is old book. Yeah, but
Yeah, this is the
like,
older.
yeah, this is like previous books. But I think this is really good because I just explained very well here for the solution like this. But you know, this is like pattern is changed. So nowadays we do not use it here, but I just ask them to use as reference.
Okay.
That's why I really ask them really need to study wisely instead of study hard. Okay.
Very
Thank you
good. Very good.
for coming here.
Yeah, you're welcome, sir. And very happy to have you to here. Also.
Okay. Thank you.
Yeah. Kaya kung gusto mong mag-Korea, i-K-dream mo na yan.
감사합니다.
Fighting!